should be recording. So, knife, piece of lolly stick, gluing. The centre of the 8mm for the ferro rod has a 2mm at the bottom. The 2mm hole allows air to just disappear into, so you don't get a bicycle pump plunger effect of the glue. 8mm lanyard tube just goes in there, and just because it's Ralph, I'm popping in an offcut of a mosaic pin, so a Spartan helmet looking one, and that's going to go inlaid in there. When it goes in, I've got to make sure that it's lined up straight with the ups and downs of the ferro rod there. So, got some glue. I'm going to sort that out. Down through the lolly stick. There we go. Something like that. Now what I'm using is the same epoxy as I would use for the knife handles, so it is a marine sort of quality epoxy called G-Flex. Not cheap, but once I've got that here, it's what I use for ferro rods. Scale, lamination, anything like that. So that goes in there. A bit narrower, so you can get down so the oil a bit better. Just a dab there. Now you can always give a little bit of a tap on something. So it's about a lever hammer. I'm not going to use the actual face, I'm just going to use the side. That'll do. Nice. Okay, they've all been cleaned off with some acetone, so there's no dust on there. So that half is done, and then what I do is I put it in and spin, and then from the other side, obviously. Try and get nice covering on the inside of the hole. As it goes in. Like that. And it's obvious that I don't need it quite as long as that, so the biro helps deliver it, so it's 2mm shy of each side. No point having it totally too long because it's a lot longer than it is wide. And then this is the inlay bit here. Just about have enough. If not, I'll do a drop. Drop. Real good mix. Okay. Now I chamfered the front edge on the belt grinder, so that will help it go in to the hole. Just need to make some lining it up. Pretty straight. Secret ingredient. Baby wet wipes. Next to Jason the Willowwood knives, one of the best tips ever. Getting rid of epoxy. Baby wipe. So that's there on the end. Now of course the actual epoxy I'm smearing over the end of the wood as well. So make that nice and attractive. Nice, nice. Yeah, you get a bit of a sense of what it will look like in time. And when you're using the grinder, try not to press too hard or have it too fast, because you don't want to burn anything, especially if you're using fibre liners. So take your time, allow the colours to come through and not burn any of the materials. There we go. And just let that sit quite happily there. Nice. Thanks for joining me, and then tomorrow, turning it. Thanks for joining me. Build alongs like this throughout my website. There's a playlist on making things like this. Thanks for joining me. See you on the next one. Be sure to like it, you know. Wessex Blades, isn't it?